Okay, video 2. There are 84 stickers, you can put 5 on each page. How many pages will have some stickers? So, before I do the math, I'm thinking to myself, what does this word "some" mean? Well, it means the page doesn't have to be filled up for me to have to count it, right? I need to know exactly how many pages I need to fit all of these stickers, even if the page is not full. So, I'm going to think about this with the area model, partial quotients, right? 84 divided by 5. So I'm thinking, what can I multiply 5 times to get close to 84? Well, I know 5 times 10 is 50. And you know 5 times 10 is 50. And I can put the 10 up here and subtract. I get 34. I bring that over here. Well, I know my times tables pretty well, so I know that 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 7 is 35. Sorry, my dog just came to say hello. And he's pushing the arm that's holding the camera. My phone. So I can use 5 times 6, because 5 times 7 is too big, and I get 4 remaining, right? This is smaller than my divisor. I add my partial quotients, I get 16, remainder 4. What does this mean? Right? It means I have 16 pages, and I have 4 stickers left over. We already talked. I don't want to throw those stickers away. I don't want to save them until I have enough for a full page. I need another page for them. So I can't use 16. I use 17 pages. What is the quotient for the expression 2,314 divided by 7? Check your work with inverse operations. So we learned to do our area model partial products. Well, I see this 23 here, right? So I know I've got 7, 14, 21. I'm just listing my times tables. 28's too big. I don't actually want to use 21 because this is 2,314, but if I know 7 times 3 is 21, then I know 7 times 30 is 210, and 7 times 300 is 2,100. I subtract, I get 214, and I bring it over here. Again, I'm noticing this 21. So I'm going to use 7 times 3 as my basic fact. Well, but I see this is 214, not 221, so I'm not going to use 3, but if I know 7 times 3 is 21, then I know 7 times 30 is 210, and I get 4 remaining. Right? This is smaller than this, so I stop. 30 plus 300 is 330, remainder 4. Okay, and I can check my work by using inverse operations. I'm going to multiply 330 times 7, right? And then at the end, I'm going to add 4. And the reason I do this is because if I think that this, right, 2,314 divided by 7 equals 330, remainder 4, then I should be able to multiply this times this and add this and see that. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3 is 21, so I put a 1 plus 2. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 4 is 2,314. It's the same as the number in my question, so my quotient is correct.